Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you what I love to pack in our snack backpack every time we go to Disneyland. This is a little bit of a preview of what I'm going to be showing you, but we do have to make sure everyone is taken care of, from the smallest to the oldest. We're going to make sure we have our drinks ready to go, everybody's favorite snack, guys, and maybe even save some money, right? Because that's why we're doing this, so we don't have to be wasting money at the park. So to begin, I am going to be showing you what type of backpack I like to take, because yes, that also does matter. I have my drawstring backpack right here, guys, that I actually got in Disney California Adventures. It probably cost me less than $20, guys. This backpack is so beat up. We use it all the time, but guys, it's still hanging in there. And I do love that it has those two side pockets and that front zipper pocket also, guys. It's super convenient and it helps a lot, okay? So drawstring backpack, because at the end of the day, when all those snacks are gone, I can't wrap it up like this into a little ball and just throw it in my backpack. I did do a video of what I like to pack in my own personal backpack, guys, every time I go to Disneyland. I'll link that video down below in the description if you guys want to go check it out. But yes, guys, drawstring backpacks are better than having to carry a huge empty backpack at the end of the day. I also recently bought these drawstring backpacks at Disneyland. They just released them not that long ago, so I will also definitely be using these backpacks soon. The first item in my snack backpack are Ziploc bags, guys. Yes, because if the kids don't finish a snack, or you go eat at a restaurant in Disneyland and you have leftovers, you'll have your little Ziploc bags to throw that food in. You can use these disposable ones or use some reusable ones, completely up to you. Second item would be Clorox wipes, because depending on if you're gonna sit at a table and everybody's gonna start snacking, you can clean your table, or if you're waiting on a super long line for a ride and somebody wants a snack, you can go ahead and clean your hands, because you know we're touching so many things at the park. You want to just stay clean. Or you can also take some hand sanitizer. Next item would be juices. Yes, you can take these type of juices to Disneyland, but I would recommend to stay on the plastic wrapping type of juices, not the paper ones, because the paper ones can get smashed and they can burst. Okay, just a little FYI. But I do have 3 kids, so I usually take them 3 for the morning and then 3 for the afternoon, and we'll buy drinks over there also, you know, just to save some money. And I am saying these in the order I like to pack them. Next item would be granola bars, to even out, you know, a little bit with the unhealthy snacks. And guys, honestly, it's a day at the theme park. Not everything's gonna be healthy, you know, just FYI. It's about having fun, so just saying. At the end of the day, whatever you want to pack for your family is up to you. Next item I like to pack is some type of fruit snacks. Right here I have some Bluey fruit snacks and some Gushers, stuff like that, that you know it's not gonna get smushed or get soggy throughout the day. That's the key to packing this snack backpack, is think about stuff that's not gonna get smushed or melt throughout the day. That's the most important thing, because you don't want to take like chocolate and stuff like that that's gonna melt, you know what I mean, or like type of chips that can just crack all day long in that backpack, getting thrown around in the rides and everything, you know. Next item I like to take is candy, some type of lollipops for the kids to get distracted on the lines. I do like to take these type of lollipops that are, you know, for coughing. Sometimes due to the weather, the kids can get a little cough, and these work perfect for them. So like I said, I do like to pack it in this form. So I put the stuff that I know that are not gonna get cracked or smushed in the bottom, and then, you know, depending on the fragileness of it, I go putting the rest of the stuff. Next, I have some cheese balls. I got these from a bundle box. I feel like these are so perfect because I know they're not gonna really get smushed compared to like Lay's and chips like that. I also have some hot Cheetos, guys, some leftover hot Cheetos. Just throw them in there, you know. I see people with their huge bags of chips also, guys, like, oh my god. So take some type of chips, you know what your kiddos like. Mix it up, take some candy, take some sour candy, some sweet candy, some spicy chips, some salty crackers, you know, a little bit of everything depending on the mood for everybody once you're there, you know what I mean? I also have some Cheez-its. These can crack, but they are really small, so they tend to make it and be okay throughout the day. I wouldn't recommend taking like Pop-Tarts or donuts, you know, stuff that can crumble up, but if they are very small, you'll be fine. Also some goldfish, very similar to Cheez-Its, but the kids love them and they're Disney themed, so we have to add them. So the bag is filling up now. But I also like to take some Uncrustables. They do sell some at the park, but guys, it's cheaper to buy your own. And since these are frozen, they do last quite a bit. By the time the kids want them, maybe around breakfast time, they're ready to go. So I always take some of these. And also guys, I love to make my own sandwiches. You know exactly how your kids are. And if you do go to a restaurant and they end up not liking the food, you always have a sandwich that you know they will like. And you can give them that also, you know. So sandwiches are always to go. Yes, you can take them. You can't go wrong with a sandwich at a theme park, guys. And I do like to put the sandwiches all the way at the top so they don't get smushed. Also, I do like to take some gum just in case, you know, you need to freshen up or you're bored in the line and you don't want a candy, you don't want a snack, but you know, you have some gum just to chew on. Something everybody likes, juicy fruits. I like to put that in the front pocket so it's easy to grab. Just guys, remember there's trash cans everywhere. Try to, you know, keep it clean. The cast members work really hard, you know, so just hold your trash, throw it away once you get to a trash can. I also like to take some water bottles. I don't always take them because I do like to take my reusable water bottles, but you know, it doesn't hurt to take some extra water. And since we have the pockets on the side of this drawstring backpack, might as well use them, you know, until we can get to a water fountain and fill up our own water bottles. And yes guys, you can take your own reusable water bottles to the park instead of having to waste money buying yourself a bottled water over there, because they do cost a pretty penny, guys. And if you're buying for everybody, it's gonna add up, you know. And you can even fill up the water bottles that I have already in my backpack. You can use those. It's up to you guys. These take up no space at all. That's what I love about them. I usually carry this one in my own backpack because, you know, it can be heavy. We alternate carrying the backpack, so that always does help. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it of what I take in our backpack. I try to think about stuff that, once again, it's not gonna get smushed, it's not gonna get soggy, it's not gonna melt. That's always things you want to take into consideration when you are packing your snack backpack for Disneyland. Just wanted to give you guys an idea of how a snack bag could look. And also remember to check their website for the latest food policies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a lot of fun at your trip, and I'll see you guys in the next one.